Hello, UGC NET, the last part, finally, the questions 41 to 50 part in this marathon race of the MCQ questions practice for previous year, the 2023 paper for June, UGC NET. So, what is the full form of Spark? So, let's start with 41B. This is a paper of UGC NET and it is for paper 1, 2023, June 1. Okay, so what is the full form of Spark? Spark stands for the Scheme for Promotion of Academic and Research Collaboration. It is an initiative of the Indian, to be in short, aimed at improving the research ecosystem of India's higher educational institution by facilitating academic and research collaboration between India institution and the best institutions in the world. Now, according to NEP 2020, India will be promoted as a global study destination, providing premium education at affordable cost, thereby helping to restore its role as what? Economic power, knowledge economy, Vishwaguru or Shiksha Guru? Yes, it's Vishwaguru. According to the National Education Policy 2020, the aim is to promote India as a global study destination, providing premium education at affordable cost, thereby helping to restore its role as a Vishwaguru or teacher of the world. What is the full form of NCIV? NCIV, it is acronym which is defined explicitly in any Indian educational policy available. The option that makes the most sense in the context of Indian education system is National Committee for the Integration of Vocational Education. This aligns with India's emphasis on integrating vocational education into mainstream education as per the NEP 2020. So it's 43B. The Government of India created Department of Science and Technology in which year? In the year 1971 May. Okay, the Department of Science and Technology DST was established in India in May 1971 to promote new areas of science and technology and to play the role of model department for organizing, coordinating and promoting scientific and technological activity in the economy. The ancient system of education in India included education of which of the following ancient texts? This is Veda, it is Brahmana, Upanishad or Dharma Sutra, or a mix and match of both the things? Yes, it's everything. Okay, Veda, Brahmana, Upanishads and Dharma Sutra. The ancient system of education in India included the education of a variety of texts. All this four. The Veda are the oldest and most sacred Hindu scripture. The Brahmanas are commentaries on the Veda. The Upanishads are philosophical texts that explore the concept of Brahman, that is ultimate reality, and Atman, the soul of self, and the Dharma Sutra are texts that provide guidelines for righteous living. Now read the following passage and answer the question given below. Around the age of 2, children have a sense of intention, at least of their own intention. They will announce, I want a peanut butter sandwich. As children develop a theory of mind, they also can understand that other people have intentions of their own. Older preschooler who get along well with their peer can separate intentional from unintentional action and react accordingly. For example, they will not get angry when another child accidentally knocks over their block tower, but aggressive children have more trouble assessing intention. They are likely to attack anyone who topples their tower even accidentally. As children mature, they are more able to access and consider the intention of others. With the developing theory of mind, children are increasingly able to understand that other people have different feeling and experience and therefore may have a different viewpoint. This perspective-taking ability develops over time until it is quite sophisticated in adults. Being able to understand how others might think and feel is important in fostering cooperation and moral development, reducing prejudice, resolving conflict, and encouraging positive social behavior in general. Some coaching in perspective-taking from the teacher might help. If children mistreat peer and the mistreatment is not part of a deeper emotional behavioral disorder. Children of which of the following age could generally have the best perspective-taking ability? It's 18 years. Why? The passage states that perspective taking ability develops over time and become quite sophisticated. So older individual would generally have better perspective taking ability of the given option. 18 are closest to the adulthood and therefore would generally be the best perspective taking ability. Given below, aggressive children can assess intention of other with each different person may have different viewpoints. Obviously this answer would be being first one incorrect and second one correct. Now why? Yes, because the passage clearly stated that aggressive children have more trouble assessing intention. And the second one is correct because it discusses the development of theory of mind, the passage indicated, which includes understanding that different people may have different viewpoints, right? Understanding how others feel is important in this. I am telling you the answer directly. This will be this one, A, B, C, E, not the D. Okay, given below two statement, again one is labeled older preschooler have better chance of getting along well with their peers as compared to young preschooler. Older preschooler generally have a better understanding of the intention of other. So which one is correct? Yes, the answer will be A, both. Why? Because the passage mentions that older preschooler who get along well with their peers can separate intentional from unintentional action, which imply they have a better understanding of the intention of others. So assertion by reason. Therefore, both the assertion and reason are correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. You can see here it was mentioned, right? Oldest preschooler. You can see. Now finally, given below are two statements, which one is the correct? And I'm telling you it is the C. Why? Because the passage states that around the age of 2, children develop a sense of their own intention, which makes statement 1 correct. Statement 2 is incorrect because the passage mentions that some coaching in perspective taking might help children who mistreat peers, but specifies that this is true only if the mistreatment is not part of a deeper emotional or behavioral disorder. Thus, it's not always helpful to coach a child in perspective taking if the child has a behavioral disorder. So with this, we end the paper 1 of June part. Now I'll come with more previous year paper, obviously the June one. This was a December one, not the June one. I was making the mistake. This was the December one which I am doing. So December one is completed with this, December 2023, and this is a paper 1 we have completed. So best of luck for your examination. This time it is pen and paper mode. I hope this video helps you up. If you get any help, do like and subscribe to my channel, and do like this video, and thank you for watching, and do tell me if you need anything more so that I can help you up or guide you up.